So it's hard to believe, but even this big panel is within the capacity of the 1938 drum sander. And the great thing about this, it actually has two independent motors, one for the conveyor with that IntelliSand feature that'll automatically slow the speed if you're working it too hard, and a second one to spin the drum. Well, that's great for narrower panels, but what about a large panel? Let's see if that can even challenge this sander. So it's hard to believe, but even this big panel is within the capacity of the 1938 drum sander. We'll just send it in one side, flip it the opposite direction to sand that other end.